Hello and thanks for joining me today. What I'm going to be doing for my next few videos is a wash and go series. I'm trying to come up with the perfect combination for my hair type for the perfect wash and go. So today I will be trying the clear Wetline Xtreme gel, and I am going to be using a cream by Urban Hydration. It's a curl cream, and I will be using this up under the Wetline Xtreme gel. And I'm using this to moisturize my hair and to prevent some of the crunch after my hair completely dries, because a lot of times when my hair dry I have a hard crunch and a cast from the gel. So what I'm doing right here, well, the first thing I did is apply the cream, and then I applied the gel, and I'm doing this for every section. Then I'm using my Denman brush, and as you can clearly see, that Denman brush really defines my curls. And just to make them a little more defined, I take small sections and I will do the shingling method. But I don't shingle all of my hair. I'll just shingle certain sections. Okay, right here I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm adding a very small amount of the cream, and then I'm adding a very generous amount of the gel, just to make sure my curls in the back are very defined. Moving on to the next section. Add my cream, then I add my gel. Use my Denman brush to first define the curls, and then if they're not defined to my satisfaction, I will shingle. But that part was actually okay. This part is okay too. I'm just defining these curls with my Denman brush, and then I shake my hair a little, then I move on to the next section. And you guys, I have to tell you, I really like this Denman brush. Those curls right there are from the Denman brush, and the products alone, no shingling. Some sections when I shingled, I didn't twirl the ends. I just pulled the section straight down from the roots all the way to the end. And if I felt like the curls needed a little more definition, then I will go ahead and twirl them. And one thing I did forget to mention, and it's very important, make sure you're adding the gel to your roots. If you don't, your roots will be less defined and they will be a little puffy. So just don't forget to add the products to your roots. Add them from the roots all the way down to your ends. And y'all, this wash and go only took me 20 minutes. You know, I did not shingle all of my hair. Some of my hair I shingled, and some of my hair I just added the product and used my Denman brush to define my curls. Shook my hair a little bit, and then I was finished. And then I used my diffuser and my concentrator attachment to dry my hair up some, but it was pretty hot outside that day, so I didn't do too much drying. Once my hair is completely dry, I'm going to add some argan oil just to loosen up some of the crunch and to give my hair some shine. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is the first video to a series of wash and go videos. And I would love for you to join me for each and every one of these videos. So please hit the notification bell so every time I upload one of these wash and go videos, you will be notified and you can join me. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. And I would love for you to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share my video. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.